Hello and welcome to the new episode of the AWS Training for Beginners. Siavash is here, and in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a brand new AWS account and start our learning journey. So let's begin. First of all, open your favorite browser and point to aws.amazon.com. This is the main page for all AWS services. So make sure that review this page when you have time and become familiar with all services. Click on create an AWS account. We are going to subscribe for a year of free tier access, and within these 12 months we have access to almost all major services of AWS, including the compute, storage, and databases. So make sure that you provide the proper email address, a valid email address, because this email address become your root account for this AWS. Let me fill up my email, and next stage you just need to provide the complex password with the minimum length of 8 characters. Alphanumeric and a special character must be chosen, and this is a good best practice. You always, even for lab environment, choose a complex password. On the next page, you just need to fill up your personal information. So click on a personal and add your telephone and address. And the next page, you just need to provide the credit card information. So AWS charges you a small amount for verification purpose. After keying your credit card information, we need to verify our identity either by SMS or voice call. So I'm just adding my phone number here, and after adding the CAPTCHA, I just need to verify my identity by SMS. So let's put XAGMDB. There we go, send SMS. And within a second, you must receive a 4-digit verification code. Yep, here we go. And this is a 4-digit. Click on verify code, and after successful verification, we need to select the support plan. AWS offers 4 different support plans. From basic, which is free, you're choosing this service for our free lab, but you have an option for either developer, business, or even enterprise level support, which of course they have a different SLA and different charges for us. And again, just click on free, and after that we successfully sign in an AWS account. Congratulations. Just go to the AWS Management Console. On the next page, we can log in with our root account, which is our email, as well as password we set. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Watch, learn, subscribe, and share. Feel free to leave your comments below, and we can discuss further. Thanks for watching.